Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like this video. And in today's video, I will show you how to set an alarm on iPhone with iOS 26. So to do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to clock. And as you can see, you have multiple options downside. You have just to choose the second option, which is alarms. Click on it, and after that, click on the plus. And as you can see, you can add here any alarm that you want. For example, I want alarm on 6:30 p.m. And I can choose how many times it will be repeated every day, every Friday, every Saturday. I can choose. I can add a label on it too. So for example, I write test. You can choose also the sound, which sound will be played with it. You can choose the ringtone. You can choose also if you can snooze it or not, and the snooze duration also. If you like everything is okay for you, you have just to click on that orange icon on the top right of the screen. And as you can see, our alarm is set. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the